Our daughter was sleeping there. Please don't shout like this, okay? We have to send her for a school. At least one time, we have to give good food, which she prefers. Do you ever think about it? No, right? Police and gunfire. Keep on screaming like this. Damn it.
See, how many times I told you, huh? If I free from debts and financial commitments, then we send our daughter to the best school in the world. Wait and watch. I too have a thoughts and dreams about her. Just 1.5 crores. That's all my commitments. I'll easily sort out that. And then I'll take care of my daughter and my cute angel. You just watch. You want some water?
Don't give me water. Don't do like this. I'm very tensed.
Hello? Yeah, tell me. Huh? Oh. You started in the morning itself, huh? Nasty bosses.
They've made a mess out of this place. I'm the only one who's starving and cleaning all these things. The rice and veggies are over. Please understand that. But they don't care about that. All they care about is drinking, and that's it.
I told you several times. Don't you understand my words? Use the money for food. Don't use for the liquor. Oh. Don't say starving. And don't ask me your money, okay? I don't care whether you eat or not. Regularly you are getting liquor, right?
Sanu,
What?
this is don't say feudalism. If we want to sort out the problem with us, just settle the amount. Then send us back to our country. We are ready to go. We are missing our children and wife very much. It's been 2-3 years, you know.
More than my parents, a girl loved me a lot. My girl Neetu got married with someone else.
Any girl you are seeing in your life, she will be your dream lover. Isn't that?
Sunil, if we talk about lost things, we too have so many things.
Leave that, brother. Take this. This is for our rice and vegetables, okay?
There is no soap and paste.
You go and wash with the bottle of drink. It will be so clean. Vijay brother, come with me. We have to go someplace.
Sanu, they haven't given me my share.
What, brother? Put a pant and come with me.
I haven't finished my drink yet.
What are you doing?
Even if I have nothing to eat, I need something to drink.
Why do you need soap and toothpaste? Lazy and lousy drunkards made my life a mess.
Nothing will work out. We won't get back our cash. Even for Sony, we have to pay double interest.
Even if they pay interest over interest, it will not come to an end, correct?
Everybody is taking advantage of us. Even you too, brother. You get a gone back with the settlement on the day.
Waiting, I've lost all my drunken
Nothing is
stuff.
work out today.
Just try to understand our position too.
What's your position? Comparing Sony with you, everyone is signed. Hey! Come on.
Coming back after shopping, I think.
Hey, not like that. I purchased little bit only.
Tomorrow, please send me out. Company driver visit to me, okay?
Why?
I have to go to Moviara. It's long drive, you know. It's not safe to drive alone, right?
Yeah, okay. No problem. I'll send him, right?
Okay.
Whatever you're asking, everything is there. Even chicken too. Make a little bit hot and spicy.
You want it hot and spicy? Others don't have to eat it, huh? Do you remember one child is here? You will not selfish. You're always
Again
think about
started.
you.
Don't say something make me mad, okay? Darling, where's the remote?
singing the bar. I'm smooth, cool, and curious. When
9 p.m. Maximum exposure.
Economy has improved.
Expert views and critical business information.
Keep it on the
He's a squawk box.
Rich and rich. Sexy, classy.
Daddy, please open this for me.
Darling, go and ask mommy, okay? She will open.
Mama, please open this for me.
I'm gonna try and do this as long as I can. Acting's kind of come up.
Just watch the TV.
Can y'all feel that? Can y'all feel that? Jig it out. Here I am in the.
This is the only thing you care about.
Don't get angry, darling. Why are you always get angry with me?
You know what is the time now?
Huh? What's the problem with the time?
Okay, darling, leave me. I have to prepare food.
That we can make it, Kalyani. Where are you going? Are you making chicken?
Mutton.
Then where is my chicken? Tell me, darling. Shit.
Leave me. Hello, brother? No, brother, it's not ready yet. It's not a small amount. Yeah, I'll give it to him. Darling, Kishore is online. He wants to talk to you. It's very important.
He's already said everything with you, right? Then what to say to me?
Please, talk to him.
Yeah, hello. See, more than you, I know how to sort out my problem. And I know how to deal with this. I don't want anybody advice. And one more thing. In this matter, he don't take an advantage, okay?
Hello? Oh, shit. Hate them. Hate everyone. There is nobody for us. He was the last option for us. Now we lost him. He has no commitment. He is a good person. He wants to help us. And you spoiled that too. Without passport, our daughter cannot go for school. Do you know that? She is not his daughter, your daughter.
Who knows about that?
God. Just kill me and my daughter, then you can roam freely. Even I can starve. But no woman can listen these type of words.
Hello? Are you not in the cabin?
No, Sanal, I'm not there. Actually, Maya called me, Sanal. I'm going there right now. What happened?
No, nothing. I'll call you back. Oh! Sony?
Hey, my dear brother Sanal. No matter wherever you go and hide, I'm gonna get you. I've traced your house already. I was planning to come there. I'll come one of these days. Eat Kalyani's food and sleep over. Yeah. But that can be done later. Okay, what about my money? Huh?
Sony, I'll pay back within 2 days. We are starving in home. Seriously, I don't have money. I'll pay back soon, understand?
I don't want to listen to your bullshit. I know you've lost everything and got stuck with 15 cases already. Even after knowing all that, I have given you money and helped you out. You know why? You belong to my country, that's why. And that Kalyani, I like her so much, you know. She is such a beautiful woman.
Sony, please! Don't talk like this, okay? I'll pay back your money as soon as possible.
I'm straightforward. I'll say whatever I want to. Once I get back my cash, I'll leave you alone.
Sunil, please, just leave me right now. I will come back to you.
I'll leave you alone. But I saw you getting something from the ATM and putting it in your pocket. Let me have a look. Well, for now, I can do with this. See you later, brother.
Hey, don't pour everything, okay?
Let me drink first.
Don't drink everything and finish it off. We do not have anything for the night.
See, my dear Vijay, you know the God will sponsor everything to us.
You keep on drinking.
Who is that?
Must be Sanal, I think. He called up sometime before. Said he is
Okay.
coming here. You do one thing. You go. Go and get him here.
Okay, fine.
Close the door,
Hey,
brother.
what's up, man?
Samu, I escaped from that advocate.
What happened?
What's in kitchen? Something smell good, right? Oh, fish.
Hey, don't keep an eye on that. Stay back.
Get me some hot and spicy, brother. What is that? Rum or brandy?
Hey, that is our night quota, okay? Don't take it and drink it
Yeah,
now.
I kept that for evening. He will finish it off now itself.
So even you have started now. These guys eat everything hot and spicy. Once they use the restroom, you can't stand the stink.
This guy is unfit to be with us. He always smells and spies on us. That is the biggest mistake I've committed in my life.
Enough of your bullshit. You go home now.
I didn't say anything
Hey.
wrong.
Oh, Billy boy, just stop this.
What happened?
He's preparing the dish.
Have you seen the restroom's condition?
Oh, should I clean that too?
No, Sanal, but these guys are...
Oh, he's such a cleanliness freak.
Daily he is washing his underwear with lot of soap. If
Hey.
we have that money, we all can take bath for 1 full month and we can wash our underwear quite neatly. Who is on the phone?
Oh my god, I had a fight with Kalyani. She only calling.
Why is she calling non-stop? Ask her to call
What are you
later.
blabbing? I'm moving.
Hey, give some cash
I
and
don't
go.
have, brother. Let Sujit come over here. When he comes, surely he has something with Maya. So wait for that. I'll pay back to him. Okay, you drink.
What? Carry on? Did you bring anything here?
Bring
Whatever we had, you drank it all. Stupid.
That's your dad?
I think the fish is overfried.
These guys are impossible. They'll never
Come,
change.
let's have a look.
I don't know how do you get everyday new vehicle. But for me, the same old vehicle. Daughter slept. You made her asleep, right? Meena, darling. Meena, darling. Mommy is not talking to me. Don't do too much, okay?
Don't diss me. What do you want?
Sorry. Actually, I don't mean to hurt you, darling. Just happened out of control. Okay, leave that. 100 times sorry. Please smile.
You'll always say the word sorry. You have money for alcohol, but you don't have money for house use.
Meenu, darling, do you miss anything in this house? Tell me, darling. Did I lose anything? Tell me, darling.
He's a mental. He got hyper. What else he don't have?
Then it's okay. If I am hyper... You know, our neighbor Maya, she is not a good girl.
Oh, what an invention. You better be clear, okay? What do you want?
I'm so thirsty. Kalyani,
What do you want now?
good night and sweet dreams.
Oh, very much needed.
Do you want blanket? No need. You know, I had a fish gravy today. No other way. I have to sleep now.
Get in, get in!
Hey, Kalyani!
Come on, guys.
Hey,
Get the
leave
vehicle.
her.
Sanal!
Hey,
Get it!
Sanal, please help me!
Come on, let's go!
leave her! Hey!
Sanal! Sanal!
Stop!
Sanal!
Kalyani! Kalyani!
No need for an alarm. You will scream at right time. You will not allow me to sleep peacefully. You are mad.
You know, you are kidnapped in my dream. That's why I shocked like this. Kalyani, to whom you speaking in morning?
What?
You know, when I was in restroom, I heard when you talking with someone.
That's Maya.
Maya. Why early morning itself?
There is no tea dust. What is this?
I thought of making a tea, but there is no tea dust, right?
When the tea is ready, I will call you.
Okay, then shall I go and do my exercise?
Okay, carry on.
Oh my god. Hey! Is it?
How do you sing so cool like this?
She didn't say anything about me.
Mm-hmm.
I said you Kalani singing song only. In our country, I'm an average singer. My father also singer. Will you sing, Maya?
No.
Why? What did you sing sometime?
With all these problems around, how can we sing songs like this? How can you lead life so relaxed? That's what I mean to ask. Your daughter is 7 years now. Which country citizen she will be? No documents, no passport.
No, you also started advising me, huh? Advice is the only thing I get free.
It doesn't make any difference, Maya. I have got the tea powder. Do you want to make tea now?
Thank you so much. First of all, you have to clean yourself. Move. Tea. Oh, no need. If any lady calls and asks for something, if the shopkeeper gives everything in credit, if I asked anything in credit, he will shout. So, you just go and ask for credit.
I can't do that. Even the previous credit is not settled.
That is. Okay, let me see.
Shit. Nowadays my life has become a hell. What are you looking at?
Oh, dear God.
Sanal, the check you gave me for the house rent has bounced before 2 weeks. Let's talk about that. Now the electricity bills, look here. You haven't paid the electricity bill and the water charges. You are the only people who is doing this in the flat. They asked me to cut power and water supply 2 days ago. I know you are a family man. And how can you manage without power and water supply with a kid? Now look at me, Sanal. I cannot manage. I cannot manage it anymore. Otherwise, I will lose my job, you know.
Brother, please suggest me another 4-5 days. We are living here so for a long time. Earlier I paid rent promptly, right?
I don't know anything about that. You just go to the office and tell them. If you lost the money, how can I be responsible for that? If I lose my job, I will become like you. I can't leave my wife and kids starving.
Mind your words, okay?
What is this?
Is this your family property? I will talk to the office members. I want to know who will give the rights to talk to anyone like this.
Just go, man. Are you trying to make me scared?
Hey, go, man. Bloody scoundrel.
Every day there is a new problem. We are already facing enough cases, and day by day it is increasing. Now, if our flat owners file a case against us, that's
You
it.
see, how long can we manage just like this? We will also get chucked out. What is the solution for this?
Already I told you, right? However, I'll pay you whenever I come to the native. I told you just go back to your country. Then you didn't move. Now you're just blaming me.
How long we wait like this? Please send us back to the country. My friends are blaming. Every 5 to 6 years, government will sponsor someone to go back to their country.
Then just go like that. So what?
So what means what? We have our children and wife waiting there, you know? Now you are only thinking about yourself.
I'm only taking care of you people, right?
Hey, Sanal,
Wherever you
relax.
want.
Hey,
Hey, don't
relax,
go.
relax. Come here, come here.
It's unbearable now.
Oh, come on, guys. Let's go home. Stop.
Taxi.
No, okay. I'll get in the front.
Sit in the front.
Don't worry, Dad. As we could not go back to India, he told he will bring Daddy here. He is trying for that. I know he is bluffing. My father-in-law does not know that he is lying.
When your mother-in-law died, you couldn't go to funeral, no? It should not again happen to your father-in-law. I didn't mean to hurt you. Your father-in-law till now didn't see your daughter, no? That's what I meant to say. Okay, forget it, Kalyani. What you prepared for today? Nikuti, come here.
Meenu, darling, Auntie is calling you.
Whenever I come here, I feel so relaxed. Even I don't know when will my husband come and go.
Whenever I talk to you, I feel relaxed. That is the only option I have. I am not much educated. Otherwise, I could try for a job at least.
My husband calling. Okay, I'm leaving now, okay? I think for him lunch break. That's why he called me. When he cut the phone call, can't you understand there will be a reason? I was sitting with that Kalyani. Luckily, she didn't understand. But I was really shocked, you know.
Brother, does Sujit have a friend over there? I think he is playing a game with us. And already he doesn't have any papers and visa itself. If he stuck up with any girls around here means, here the law is too strong. You know very well, right? Huh?
But for now, he has escaped from there. And he's gone to Sony's godown. Looks like Sony's got some deal going on. Sometimes he used to call him and used to get him a lot of drinks.
Oh, that too.
Some sort of dealing is going between them. Sometimes he also buys him drinks,
Yeah.
goes with him as an escort to collect the money. Sometimes he also acts like a rowdy. Most of the time, Sony takes him along with him. He does so because Sujit will get some cash.
However, he is making money, no? But we are the most lazy and lousy peoples.
Then do one thing. Go and drop something. Otherwise you work a pimp.
Sanal, don't
like
hey,
that. Then what to say?
Hey, come on,
Talking like
cool
a
down.
bullshit.
Cool.
Please
Why
stop
are you
this
getting
nonsense.
angry? Please
Give me
cool
the
down.
money
Hey,
and send
come
him
on,
back.
come on, Sanal.
Sami, you have to tell this earlier itself.
Well, now that...
Whatever it is, be careful when you deal with him.
Well, I didn't say anything because I thought he was making some money, you know. But somehow, unfortunately, he's got addicted to that now. Okay, let's go.
Come on, get in the car.
Nobody has to help me.
Hey, come on. Get inside the car.
Okay. Relax, sit in the car.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Malikum salam. What do you want?
Now my situation is too bad.
Where is the rent?
I need some more time.
No. I'll give you 2 more days. Otherwise, I'm going to call the police. Okay?
Please.
No. Don't waste my time. Go.
I'm in such a big problem. Could you...
Don't you understand? Go! Just leave.
Such an arrogant fellow. See you. Oh my god, advocate.
Hey, Sanal! Sanal! Hey! Don't make me to run like this! How many days I'm calling you, no? You're not at all attending my call.
Actually, sir.
If you attend my call, sir, I'm in meeting. I will call you back after some time. What does it mean? Bloody bluffer. Sanal, I'm saying this seriously. This is not our country. This is Arabia. He's gone, huh? Hey! Hey! Stop! Hey! So, you are here. Wait here. Please surrender to the police. If you go to the jail, no more cases will be filed on you. That is the law system following here.
Okay, then you do me a own favor. Tomorrow morning...
You are coming to my office, right? Mr. Sanal, I have seen you for long.
See, everything will be alright. Just give me some more time to me, okay?
I have so many cases in abroad. Remind that. Self-confidence.
Only check bounces case, right? It's not a murder case.
See here. It is better to murder somebody. It will be very nice for you.
Is it?
Your family won't suffer like this. Huh. When you give the common forgiveness, you better send family and colleagues back to the country. Tomorrow itself, try to arrange some money. Look here. How's your dad? He is my old friend. Whenever he calls me, I cut the call without option. How can I answer his questions? How lavishly he brought you, no? Okay then. Tomorrow morning you have to be in office. Along with money. Don't forget. Do you hear me?
Advice only get free of cost. Then give me some money and help me out. Huh. Without money, you get only one take. That's advice only.
I've learned a lot of things from life. It doesn't matter how you make your money. Money is money and it has got immense power. And I'll do anything for money, you know. Well, when it comes to others' money, including yours too, you lend it at a smaller rate and I lend it at a higher rate. And that's how I make money. And when I take your money, I've given you blank checks for that.
You give me 10% and you get 25%, is it not? Can't you give me 1% more?
Hey Patel, I can give you something else. With you, I can consider giving some more. But you see that guy Matthew? He's a dangerous fellow. He's almost like a mafia, you know. He can even kill me and feed me to the crocodiles. So because I'm taking those risks, I'm looking for some benefits. What do you say? Hey Sujit. Come Patel. Hey Sujit. Where does that girl stay,
I'll
man?
tell you, brother. Relax. Don't trust him, okay? He promised me twice to get a thing. He never keep his word. Kidnapping C from Sanal house. That is the money bank of accountant. Both the things are not completed yet.
Hey, what happened to the millionaire, that Subbu Swami's acquaintance? Think about getting more commission, Sujit.
My dear brother,
Yeah.
I also want to join you all.
Ah.
How are you?
Mwah.
Cheers.
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 Hey, I will wait till afternoon. After that, I will cut the power supply. If you don't pay tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you have to vacate the place. You'll be on streets. Let me see to whom you will complain and suspend me from the job.
First, you go and repair the lift phone, okay?
Bloody nuisance. I'm not scared of anyone.
What about the payment about house rent?
Hey, what is the gravy today? I'm so hungry. Let me finish the food.
I asked you something. What about the house rent? Caretaker came here. If we didn't pay cash within 2 days, he said he will file a case against us.
Day after tomorrow case. Already have got 18 cases. You know about that? Hey, look here. I'm planning for the another cases. It will take only 1 week.
Don't play games with me. If they cut the power supply and water, how can I manage with a kid?
Hey, don't worry about that, okay? Since Adam and Eve also live like that only, okay? So many human beings live without any facilities. But we won't live a life like that. Got it?
Yeah, we are not going to live. It's better to do a family suicide. Just because of daughter, I'm not doing that.
Just for the sake of electricity cutout. Going to commit a suicide, right? That credit will get only my dear Kalyani. My dear, we are going for one good trip. Be ready for that.
Okay, Daddy.
Look, don't talk to her like this. Then she will wish for something.
See, I think you are regularly watching some serials. You are always telling about old sayings. See, I'm seriously telling. Hey, seriously, darling. Please keep the bags ready. For some time, we live somewhere else. I'll make an arrangement for that. Tomorrow morning, I will give something for that security. What? Go and pack up the things, okay? Come on, go. Don't stare at me just like this, cause I want to eat peacefully. Don't scare me. Hello? Yeah, Vijay brother. For next 2 days, we won't be here. A small picnic.
I'm really scared of this place.
Nothing to scare about this. This is so far. That's it. Aslam, brother! Brother! Aslam, brother!
Have this, our daughter's chain. Sell this and pay the house rent.
If you given this 2 days before, seriously, we could have cancelled this program. Peacefully, we lived in our home, where become the interest out of interest, and the cases will come to help us.
Don't say the old stories. I have given you everything. This is the only thing I have now. Tomorrow you settle that payment. We have to go back soon.
I'll leave after breakfast, okay? Even if we go to any royal hotels, it doesn't have your taste of cooking. Whenever doing this glass business, I should have think some other option. I could have made you a chef and start one good hotel on the day.
Don't flatter me like this anymore. You leave the place after having breakfast, okay?
When I leave this place, I have to repair this watch too.
What happened?
I think my time is not good. Hello?
Hey, Sanal, this is Swami. Please come to the camp immediately.
Tell me what happened.
It's important. Come as soon as possible. We are into a lot of trouble.
Yeah, I'll come soon. Hey, what?
Sanal,
What happened?
bro.
Swami, what's the problem?
Hey, Sanal,
What?
he got into some shady deal with that Sony. Some kind of dollar doubling game. Someone has taken the money and run away with that. And these guys have not got the money they have given. Now Sony is saying that the original cash was taken away from Sujit. Now there is no point in talking. There's no other way. We have to go to the prison now.
Oh my god! When everyone is prison, he'll be happy. He and that bloody Sony.
See, this is something very serious. It's not like your business deal. Smuggling. Everybody will be in the prison for a lifetime.
It's all because of him and that bloody Sony. Don't you know?
Hey, Sanal,
I'm really a bankrupt person.
I'm not with Sony to cheat anybody. I'm with him to make money. Without work, how do we get money? I want to go back to my country.
So that's why he done like this. Now you won't go back
Hey,
to
hey,
India.
Sanal, calm down.
Hey,
Calm down, Sanal. There is...
Leave it.
Come on, Sanal. There is no point in fighting. Come on, cool down.
He is the
This is
culprit.
not going to help us out. There's no point in fighting. Somehow we have to try and settle this.
How to settle?
We have to do something. That's it.
Everyone we go to the jail because of
Stop it, the both of you! Give me the bag! Give it to me! Give! Take this bag and get my cash back. It's not mine.
This is not mine. This is not my bag.
No, you are the boss. Give me back my money or else I'll shoot you.
Hey, I have no money, please.
This is all he had.
This is not enough. I need more money, okay?
I don't have money, please.
If you don't give me back my money, I'll kill you. I swear I'm not joking.
Hey, my car key. Hey, give me my car
Where's
key.
my money? Give it back to me. Take your bag. Your car, your engine, everything's finished. Go find it in the scrapyard. Let's go.
Hey, Sanal.
See how he is standing.
Stop this.
Hey, Sanal, no.
Darling? Meenu, darling? Meenu?
Mommy!
Meenu? Meenu?
Leave me!
Stop. Hey!
Saral.
Hey, what are you doing?
Daddy!
Saral, let us go from here. We don't want to stay here. Have you settled everything there? Did they send okay? If that is not okay, leave it. Please try to understand me. I don't want water and electricity. We can get the cash from Kishore. Please come with me at least this time.
I sold the chain and got the cash. But that Sujit created one big problem. They took my car and my cash.
Will you please help us?
Come on, buddy. Come on.
We have to go.
Come get inside.
Come.
Hello, come soon.
Kalani, please listen to me.
I don't want to hear anything. Okay. Okay.
Who is in the phone? What? Hey, where you are going?
1 second.
Hello.
Your receipt. All the balance have been settled by someone else. Hereafter, at least live with your family in a better way.
Get lost from here.
Yeah, okay.
Who is the person? Decide this. Cut the phone. Who paid this bill? Oh, I know very well. Your darling Kishore, right?
Look, you have sold my jewels and my daughters and paid someone else. Don't blame me for this. Show your guts to that person. Don't you feel ashamed of this? Trying to control me.
On which day I lost my business and money, you are starting teasing me. Then I'll stay here. I will have to see a face of yours.
Shit.
You are the only one who destroyed my life, business, everything. If you can make it now.
Hey, Sanal, have a seat.
I don't come here for your compromise. How much I should pay you? Chopped my body into the pieces. Other than that, you won't get single money. You know, Already I lost everything. Even my wife also questioned about my manliness. You are the most critical case on me. After killing you, I'll be in the jail in peacefully. Whatever happened yesterday, it's all because of you. And that bloody cheat. I know everything about that bloody...
You're right. You're too smart. But then, you don't think before doing something. Otherwise, you wouldn't have come like this and challenged me in my own place. But now you have no other goal but to kill me. If you're not able to do that, you'll be finished forever. You understand? You better understand.
You will see that.
We'll see.
Where is Sanal? We are from the police department. Call him fast.
Saral!
What?
Saral, where are you?
Who are they?
Sanal,
Hey, Sanal.
come.
Hey,
Sanal, come.
Hey, Sanal!
Just come.
Don't scared, okay?
Come.
Come.
Go inside.
Hey,
Go
Sanal,
inside.
come here, man.
Take care of kid.
Come
Sir,
here.
sir, just a second.
Sanal,
I'll go here.
Sanal,
Sir,
Sanal.
please leave me. Sir,
Come with
sir,
us.
please.
Sanal.
Just come.
Sir, please,
Just
sir.
come with
Sir,
us.
sir.
Just come.
Sir, please, sir. Kalyani, please call the lawyer and Swami. Okay? Sony, what are you doing like this?
Sanal,
Just do
try
what
to
I say,
understand.
Kalyani.
Just go on.
Don't forget.
Go!
Oh God, I feel so hungry. I'm starving like anything. Hi, darling. You play.
Did you give us something to eat?
You just sit here.
It's okay.
Okay, fine.
Here, some sandwich for you.
Yep.
You eat this.
Even we didn't have anything. You take this, darling. I am feeling very hungry.
Why don't you shut up?
You're so beautiful.
Leave me.
What happened? I think you have become mad because of hunger. If I think about our future, I don't get anywhere. I am so confused, you know.
You don't think about that. We will look after that.
Anyway, what does he know about this case? Nothing.
Hey, what are you saying? I'm not talking about the case, do you know?
Then what?
At our place, we don't have rice or sugar, you know. Kalyani, do you have some rice and sugar?
You don't have manners, senseless fellow.
See him. I told him not to say that several times.
Now, what did he say that is not true?
Am I mad? Do you know what he called me? There is another word along with that combined both.
Shut up. Can you call the advocate? I heard that he is a friend to Sanal.
I'll call him.
Without paying cash, nothing will work out properly. Then he will be in prison for 5 or 6 years. But if he is there, at least he will get food properly. I don't think this lawyer can do anything about this. Isn't that right, Kalyani?
You come with me. Okay, we are leaving. You close the door. Come.
I'll just speak to the kid and say not to
You
cry.
don't have to do anything. Come with me.
No,
Go.
wait, don't
See,
push
go.
me.
Sister.
Get out.
Yesterday, Sanal was caught by the police, right? I heard he has to pay a lot of people money. I heard it's got to do something with checks.
Without paying the balance, we're not supposed to give you anything. That's our owner's orders. I'm really sorry. Don't mistake me.
Hey, Nazar, give her what she wants. I'll pay the cash.
Oh, he started morning itself. Oh, God, not even a drop. How could I drink now? Yeah, God will definitely show me a good way. We'll see.
Oh, yeah. He'll clear it at once. You know what? This is God-given punishment to you.
Oh, no problem.
Without any permanent job, how can I survive? How many days I can manage with other people's favor? It's not only for food, it's for house rent, water, electricity bill. I have to pay everything. No. Even now, I have to repay for you. That's why I'm telling. No, it's not like that. Me and my daughter want to live happily. That's why I want a job. That's the only thing I'm asking for. For my education, I will not get any office job. Maybe some cleaning or housekeeping job. I don't drive, but I got license over here. Do something for me as soon as possible. Kishore brother, someone has come. I'll call you later.
I brought some food items. It is only for you.
No need. I have everything.
Don't mistake me. I have purchased this only for you. Some things for your daughter and some household things. I am not anybody's enemy. I'm just a watchman. Just like a watchdog. That is my job. When my master says I have to bark, that is my story. I have also faced a lot of critical situations in my life. Just like a brother. Just forgive me, please. Whatever you need, please call me.
See, I'm started to clear the procedure, all the documents of you and your daughter. When everything is ready, I will call you back, okay? And also coming Friday, no? You can see Sanal at the prison. I will get permission for that. Okay, I will tell all details to Sanal's father. Okay, wherever I spotted, just sign on this. Is Meena alone at home?
No. I have sent her for a neighbor's house.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't control myself.
I have told you, no?
Don't worry, just a few minutes.
I have told you, no? It must be Kalyani. Oh my God, Kalyani.
Oh, shit.
What to do now? I told you earlier. Meenu is sleeping there. I told you, no, she will come here to get the child.
Shall I hide inside?
She will come inside. She is not such an ideal woman. She has got the affair with that businessman.
Who's that?
I have seen him. He came here for so many times. Do you know? It's their master plan to send Sanal to prison. I have seen them calling police.
Oh my god.
My god, he's the person I told you.
Guess nobody's at home.
No, she's here. I told Maya to take care of my daughter. I have given my house keys also.
Then why aren't they answering the door?
I'm gonna open the door. Let's face whatever comes.
Sujit, when do you come?
What's he doing here?
How did you come here? First tell me that.
Don't you feel ashamed of this?
Ashamed of what? You should be ashamed. You sent Sanal to prison. Now I get everything. This was your plan from the beginning. Now everyone is blaming me and Sony for everything. You all are acting like innocent people.
How will you open the door? Give me the keys. He's a no good bugger. Don't mind what he said. Come. Leave it. Go and put her on the bed.
Sorry, Kishore brother.
Why? These are the papers the lawyer gave. You need to sign where he has marked. And you need to take some copies. You know, sometimes in life, the things that causes pain are the things that give a solution. Gosh, I'm running late. I have a meeting at 2 o'clock. So you gotta leave. Okay, you call me.
Come on, yaar, play the gas, put on the guard, we
Yeah,
are
no,
late.
take this.
What's happening?
Hey,
Keep playing
what?
like this, okay? Tomorrow she'll send us also to prison.
She? Who?
Who else? Sanal's wife. You said she was an innocent girl. The only thing she knows is to cook and serve. This is what you told about her. You know something? She's not an expert in cooking and serving alone.
You come to the point straight away. Did she do anything wrong to you?
She can't do anything to me. If she plays with me, I'll teach her a good lesson. She and her ex-lover sent Sanal to prison. You know that? Maya told me about it. Today I met her ex-lover face to face. If you don't believe me, go and ask her. Go.
What he's telling, I can't believe this.
He's blabbering something, don't believe him.
See here. Sony must have told him something like that. That is why he is blabbering something like that.
Yeah,
I
you're
think he
right.
must have taken some drugs from Sony. I just doubt
Excuse me? Once you all go to prison, you'll believe me.
that. Sammy, he is telling us in a confirmed way. I think something is fishy there.
Swami, you just ask her.
Is it necessary?
Hey man, you just go.
Okay, let me go and have
Be
a look
quick,
then.
man.
Get me my shirt.
You just go and take. We are playing
Hey,
now.
is this so important now?
Then what?
Go and get my shirt.
You just go and take.
Yeah, that black one. Yeah, that one. Thank you.
You just come.
What?
Come along with me.
I won't come.
Kalani.
Sir?
Kalani, are you okay there at home? You know, yesterday advocate came here. He is only doing the legal things, right? I have told him make a documents ready and earlier. Then you and our daughter can go back in India. But actually, for the expenses, he will get you the cash, okay?
Shall I go for a job? Kishore will find me a good job. Going back to the country means
Are you joking? Searching for a job here, not work out. I have to be here till the case come to end. If I don't have a cash to pay for that, what are the date court declared? I have to be here. That is the law and system over here. If you got your papers is ready, just go back to India.
how about your food?
Actually, in prison, some people offer a biryani. Nothing is good. Just okay, that's it. It's not like a biryani you prepare for me specially. Why didn't you bring our daughter too?
No, Saral, darling. She should not see all this. If she see this, she will cry a lot afterwards.
Time over.
Kalyani, I'll leave. Time is over. Take care, Kalyani.
Okay.
Bye.
Take care.
Hello. I came here to see one of my clients. On the way, suddenly I saw you, and that's why I stopped. And it was you that put Sanal behind the bars. I heard about that. Good job. And who's that guy who helped you out? Well, that's not important actually. If you need any other help, you can always come to me, okay? Huh? That Sanal actually owes me some money also. That's a different story. I look at you differently. I like to take you as my friend, you know. Hey, I really want to help you. Hey Sujit, I met your boss's wife. Well, she's not really connecting, you know. You know what? You do something about that. Yeah, I can take care of that. You help me out with that, and that's enough. Oh, okay then. Bye.
What happened, Swami? What about your big financier? If we do it, we'll also make some money, right? What I'm trying to say is, it's not a big deal. We are going to introduce a financier to Sony. For receiving the cash, Sony will give the documents. Sony will pay the monthly interest to the financiers regularly. If he doesn't pay, they'll deal with that. We'll just introduce the both of them, that's all. That way, we'll be able to make some money.
Let me see.
Don't think about it too much. Just let's do it. Don't worry, okay? We'll never get a chance like this again, Swami.
Yeah. I'll get down here.
Okay. Swami, the Marwadis have some problems with the financiers. That's why Sony needs a new financier. After some time, Sony will get a new financier. After that, if you give an intro, there'll be no use. Just try. Give a call from my phone. What's his name? I'll try. Tell me, what's his name?
I'll tell you in a couple of days.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, hotel business is a good idea. But then we don't have any experience, you know. Then how can we run it? I'm an accountant. Running a kitchen is far away from my capacity. And moreover, we don't have proper documents, always running away from the police. What else do you think I can do? But then...
It is up to you now. You can decide it. Once you decide, you call me.
Swami, you haven't tell anything.
Shit.
Hey, what?
Just don't waste any more time. Come to the point straight away. Come on, tell us.
Kalyani had called me. I went and met her. She wants to start a new hotel. Some new friend of hers has promised to give us some money. She wants our help in the kitchen with the vessels and the cleaning up stuff, you know. Just staying in the backyard. Looks like she's forgotten that I'm an accountant. I was so angry, but I didn't show it to her.
Wow, that's good, that's good.
You know why? You saw Sanal's situation. If she can treat her husband like that, just think about us.
Yeah, for vegetable chopping, cleaning the vessels, cleaning the tables, I'll send my dog to them.
Yeah.
That is job, no? Right?
If Sony comes to know about it, he'll teach her a good lesson. Mark my words.
Sony. Who's the bloody Sony? Is your father? When we are talking about ourselves, why are you talking about Sony?
Yeah.
Once he opens a hotel, tell him to deliver the food to our place. If not, we will go there and eat directly.
Yeah.
We were once colleagues with him. No. At any cost, we will not work in that hotel.
You're right.
Hey, Sujit, come here for a minute. Tomorrow my friend will go to meet Sony. He just wants to know the place and stuff like that. If he feels okay, he'll give the money. Then they have to take care of the rest. Well, I don't want any trouble, you know.
Okay.
If we get some commission out of this, that is enough for us. Anyway, it's better than cutting vegetables in a hotel, you know. You guys can go ahead and do that.
Why should we go there? You're only very affectionate, no? Say, once a man decides for himself, he will definitely make it. That is all.
you're right.
You understand the point?
Hi.
Hey, stupid.
Let's go.
Who's this? Looks like a cop to me.
I think he must be the party of Swami, financier. He already told me that he'll be coming today. If Swami says something, he'll definitely do it.
Oh, maybe. He wants to know about us. Okay, come. Let's see.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
Kaif
assalam.
filal?
Alhamdulillah.
Are you Sony?
Yes, I'm Sony.
I'm Hami Yusuf. Swami told you, right?
Yeah, come, let's go to the office.
No, we'll sit there.
Oh,
upstairs.
yes. Let's go.
How could you give so much of cash?
Well, there are these small companies, shops, and hotels. There are many others. A few individuals as well. And many people whom I know.
Have you had problems with anyone?
Don't worry. If they don't give it back, I know how to get it back.
Yes. I like what you're saying.
And moreover, if I have the support of someone like you,
Let me see. If the dealings are perfect, I'll give you any payment. I mean to say, I'll give you any payment you demand.
my deals can never go wrong.
I don't want statements. I'm gonna give you something as an advance. How much is it?
2 lakhs, boss.
Are the security documents ready?
Yeah, it's ready.
This is just the beginning. 2 lakhs. I will send some of my parties over here. I can't take interest from them directly, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Bro, they called for you.
Hello? Aiwa. Zen. Maafi mushkil. Okay.
We've been talking to Swami for a long time for this meeting. Well, now he's done it.
See over there. Kalyani has come.
Kalyani? What is she doing here?
I don't know. Who's that girl?
One of my clients.
Women who wear saris, I like them very much. I'm crazy about them. Just like how you see in the movies. I haven't enjoyed them in real life. I've eaten only junk food.
She's Sanal's wife who is in prison. Remember Swami's owner?
Then it's much better to deal with. If you get me this bird, I'll give you whatever you ask for.
We'll see. But I have some other girls too.
If you need some other parties, I'll send them to you. If you want, come to my club tomorrow.
Hey Sujit, she shouldn't see you. Go inside.
How old is she?
Must be 25, 27. That's it.
Nice.
See that he is coming.
What are you doing here? Have you come to repay me?
I don't anything to repay. I'm searching for a job. I didn't get it. My cousin Kishore has organized to open a hotel.
Yeah, I know. I know that Kishore. People have told me about him. Why are you here? Tell me.
Actually, I'll cook very well. I need 2 more helpers to help me there. We are planning to open the hotel. If you give me some money and help me, I will definitely repay it.
If I give you cash, what will you offer? Do you have a check? Or will you offer something else?
I don't have anything to pledge. My husband's check is there.
Without pledging, how will you get cash? You have to pledge yourself. If you don't repay the cash, not him, you'll have to deal with me. As soon as we started our dealing, this is the first dealing we got. It'll be a good one. Sony, I'm giving you guarantee. Give the cash to her. You must pay the monthly interest to Sony's office. Otherwise, I'll come to your hotel. And then, I'll take you to my hotel.
Give it. I'm giving you 1 lakh.
Will you teach me how to drape a sari?
Hey, Hamid bhai. Come on. What are you doing? It's a big risk giving her 1 lakh.
I've spent money for actors and dancers. 3 to 4 lakhs in a single night. If you don't get back the interest, just tell me. What do you say? You think I can't deal with this?
Hey, it's not like that.
That's it.
Anybody here? Swami?
It seems to be Kalyani
Swami?
voice. Just see there.
Swami didn't tell you the things, right? I'm planning to open a hotel. Cash is ready now. If you people work there, it is better. Without any documents, right now, you can work at backyard of hotel. There is a room. You can prepare dishes there and give.
If you say so, but how can we work in kitchen quarters and all? When we are working, if the police catches, what will you do for us?
If you don't work there, I will send police here. Then definitely you will be in prison. It's now up to you.
What are you doing? Why are you forcing us to work for you? And moreover, I don't have any kind of experience in this.
I have told you everything. Cash for expenses, rent, salary balance. If you forget everything, then it's okay. You make him understand. Okay.
Kalyan, do you justify this? Isn't this feudalism?
I don't know how to name
Then
all
listen
this.
to me, I'll tell you, this is Kalyanism.
But anyway, we got some kind of job to do, right? And with this back pain, how am I going to work there? What will I do? Oh Lord, you have to help me.
We don't have any options. We have to definitely work in hotel.
Yeah, that's right.
I think she's going to send her baby to a boarding school. That's how she's going to work, I guess. If Sanal comes out of jail, there's going to be a murder for sure. I've already told everything to Sanal.
Why did you go and tell Sanal about all this? Unnecessarily destroying a family.
She sent her husband to prison, then roaming with someone else. Then which family you're talking about?
Once a woman decides she can do anything she wants, at last
Right.
we are the ones who are going to work in the kitchen.
If Sanal outside, we just drink, eat and
I
sleep.
feel so angry now. She has taken cash from Sony. Only then we'll get our cash back.
Well, I introduced Hamid to Sony, but what happened to our commission?
Oh, relax, Swami. He's given a little money, right?
I think they won't give any commission for that. These financiers are all same. Sony or Hami, everyone seems to be
Oh,
like
he
that.
started.
Now we are in
Hey,
streets.
just hold your tongue, okay? Now, where is Vijayan?
I think
He is in the
somewhere.
supermarket only.
Then come, let's
Okay,
go.
Come, let's go.
Should I tell you separately to work here?
Hey, come on, get up and do something. Always
just
eating
one.
something or the other.
Take it inside.
I think there is a problem with the board. You have to move it
Hi.
towards the left. And I think then. it'll
Kishore
be
sent
okay.
this to you.
Okay.
He's very busy now.
Is it?
That's why he didn't come. It has work permit, employment visa, and driving license copy, okay? Then your ex-workers' papers are in processing. Till then, hide your ex-workers in the backyard, okay? They should not work in the front yard, okay? Fine, bye.
Hello.
What's going on, Kalyani?
Everything is good here. Actually, it is all because of you.
Alright, I'll get it later on. And one more thing, unless the documents are ready, don't hand over cash to Swami. Let him take care of the kitchen. And if I'm not busy tomorrow, I'll drop in.
Even if you're busy, you have to come here. You must come.
Well, actually, the meeting I have tomorrow morning is related with the hotel owner Kalyani for her benefit.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Keep that over there.
Hello,
Hey,
you
what do
two
you
work
think?
with
You are our
us.
supervisors. Do something.
okay,
Hey, the
please
board is
be
not
careful.
clear. Ask them
Keep
to
it
write
there.
something
Don't
very
throw it.
clearly, okay? What are you doing?
Hello, mister, you can't do that.
I
Talking
only
about
accepted
something
and
or the
brought
other.
you guys
Do
here to
something,
work.
no?
You don't know the value of this water bottle.
Hello, where should I keep the chairs?
There's a chair, put it here. 3 should be put there. A table in the middle.
Just forget it. I'll give you an idea. Just keep the table here and put 3 chairs over there.
That is what I told you.
Okay, 14, 15, 16. No, what is this guy up to? What is he doing?
Please wash the vessels. Remove all the waste from there. There is no cleaned vessel in the kitchen.
Hey, Vijay, go and wash the dishes, okay?
Shall I go and eat the waste? To clean the waste, my dog
Did you bring
will
it?
come.
What?
Dog, do you want a dog?
I
Hey,
don't want
okay,
that.
just stop talking. You don't have to do anything,
You
alright?
don't tell
You
me.
just eat, okay? Eat.
Listen, you're talking too much, okay?
You just
Give
eat
that.
this.
Oh, stop talking and work, okay? Please clean all the vessels to serve.
Okay.
Please do that. Why don't you do that? You can do only smuggling, huh? Swami, just come and remove the waste.
I was an accountant. Please do remember that.
Wherever you worked as accountant, the company has closed. This is the best job for you. Just go. Okay, you can wash the vessels, right? Go and do that. You also go with him.
Me?
Yeah, go. You said even your dog won't do all that, right? Go.
I didn't
Give me that pen.
Yeah. Here.
Truly, I'm the very hard-working person here.
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
leaving.
we've
I
been
gotta go
seeing that.
somewhere.
Yeah, go. Lots of work is here. Brother, will you
Yeah.
just go and help them in washing
Okay.
vessels?
I want the curd and...
Do one thing. Manage writing accounts. I'll go and wash the vessels.
okay, fine.
You go there. Damn it. Okay.
4 paratas and chicken curry, bill.
Brother, what you want? Shall I give fish biryani?
1 chicken, 2 mutton biryanis.
Swami, 2 chicken and 1 mutton biryani. Hello, Kishore brother. What happened? Have you reached?
I just got back from the airport, Kalyani.
Is it so? Have you gone to room?
Oh, yeah, no problem. How's your food, John, going on?
Yeah, fine. Going on well. Actually, I'm about to leave.
All right.
I'll come there.
Okay, I'll be seeing you then.
Okay.
You're talking over the phone. Just come with me there. The shop is not neat and clean. An Arab official has come to our shop. I don't know what he's asking, what he's talking about. You have to come and manage.
Hey, I need to go to the washroom. The washroom.
Now I'm so busy. In
No,
the evening, I will wash everything.
Well, he's not working for the government. He's asking for a toilet, that's all.
Oh,
Brother,
toilet.
it's in the backyard, towards the left, okay?
Okay, thank you.
There, yes.
This way.
He was only asking about
You
the
just
toilet.
scared
He
me a
scared me a lot. Why didn't he say that openly he want to go to the toilet?
So they're really having an affair.
Saral,
I know everything. I don't want to see you. I hate you. Thereafter, you're not in my life. Get out from here, bloody bitch. Why are you staying here?
Hey.
Get lost.
Hey.
Go. I said go.
Hey.
from next week, we got new catering work. 2,000 people working there. I have taken a new godown also. New workers will join soon. Everyone should cooperate now. I must say we are really lucky to get that contract. I'll give you all 5% bonus also with your salary.
Only 5% bonus.
Just shut
At
up, will you?
present, that is enough.
Enough.
That's enough.
Yeah, it's enough.
So, follow my orders. Okay.
You suddenly went to Bangkok to have some fun, and we were not able to do anything. Finally, with some help from the underground, I was able to manage.
Hey, never mind. Hereafter, we're gonna make it together. For everything, I'm there. Because you proved yourself as a trustworthy person. Regularly, you have paid the monthly interest. Even when I was out of station, you paid the money to my team. That's really nice.
I have made you all the payments, but many people like Kalyani have to pay me back. She is cheating us. She has changed a lot, you know. She's giving lame excuses.
No. I think she's busy with the hotel business. Just get back the money from her. Shall I come along? Or should I send my boys? What say?
No. I'll take care of that. Now, if you are really interested in our black note and if you want to do it, then you invest in it. We'll share the spoils equally.
Tomorrow you two come with Sony Sa's godown. We'll show the stuffs over there.
Cheers.
Cool. Give me all the details of that business. Okay, leave that. When will you send Kalyani to me, my friend?
Well, I'll take care of all that. You will get her first, and then I'll follow. These are the details of our daily collections and the balance sheet.
Okay.
And these are the details about how much money we have given to the Dubai branch.
Hi, Kishore.
And the rest
Hi.
are...
Then Swami, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
How about accounts and all?
It's going very well.
Then papers all ready. Now you pay back the money to them. And there is a formula for that. If we made it within 1 week, we will release Sanal.
There are some accounts to be settled, hey Swami? I know you're running a cash shortage to open new branch. In this
yeah.
situation, how are you going to ready the cash? Give it some time. Let the business prosper first.
No, what I'm
That
saying
is settled. Kalyani, just a second. I need to talk to you.
Swami, what is this?
Swami doesn't know anything. I know everything. For the sake of money, she'll do anything. There are some greedy people for money. Support her as well. When Sanal gets released, there'll be a big issue. Do you know she's sleeping around with that Kishore? She hasn't paid any interest money to Sony. She's enjoying herself. Do you know something? Sony got the money from Hamid Yusuf. If he comes over here, he's sure to kill her.
What I am hearing, Swami.
Well, whatever you heard is partly true.
Not just partly, it's all true. Huh. This Swami is good for nothing. Mashallah. Good program. Yesterday I've seen all the details. I'm ready to invest. Make a quick deal with those people. Sony, so we're on the right track. This is much better than the interest money. Even if it's risky, it's a jackpot.
Hello?
Sony, police came to our godown.
What?
There is a riot going
Police?
on. They have taken all
Raid?
the things, also our workers too.
Don't call me hereafter.
Sony, what I have to do? I'm alone here.
Shit.
Sony.
Hamid bhai, there's a big problem. We've lost all the money.
Not only the cash, you should also escape. Go fast. I'll take care of the rest.
No, they can't do anything to me.
Huh?
The documents of the godown are not in my name. It's all in the name of Mukta. He will go to prison. But then they have taken all my money. I'm left with nothing. What am I to do, Hamid bhai? Hello?
Sony, they arrested all our staffs. They also harassed me. Sony, what shall I do?
Shit. Hamid bhai, I have invested everything in this project. Somehow I have to escape from this.
It's not an easy job. You know well about the law, right? Suppose if Mukhtar tells your name, then... there'll be no issues. All the documents are on his name. That's a clever move. The police will arrest him and you can escape. Anyway, you don't stay here. You should leave.
I leave then. Okay.
Sanal is going to have a goddamn situation. when he gets to know about the money we gave and the way his wife got the money, when he gets to know that, Sanal will run into a temper and we need to be prepared to face it. Let him get out first. I think a one-to-one discussion with him should sort the situation out. You need to be strong. Ajay?
Sir?
What's the program tomorrow?
I have to go Albert office. I'll be free at 10.
That's fine. You take Kalyani to pick up Sanal. He's getting released tomorrow.
Okay, sure.
Saral!
Hey, Sanal! What you
Saral,
doing?
come here!
Sanal, come on, get in.
Saral!
Have a drink. You'll feel much better. Sony will be here soon. He'll sort out all your problems. Don't worry, okay? Relax. Huh. Sanal, bro. Have a drink. Take it.
I'm totally lost. My dear Meena. At the earliest, I have to take her from there. Even when I lost my money, I thought I have a good wife and my family. And I'm very much proud about that. How such a wife of mine? Seriously, I need this. I was overconfident. That's why I lost everything.
Hey, Sanal. These days, morality is something you can't find anywhere. But I never expected that your wife will do something like this. It's very disappointing. She wanted to start a business and she came to us for money. I'll never misbehave with your wife, you know that. But Hamid Yusuf is a big millionaire. He won't think about morality. And this guy, although he was hanging around me for some little money, when it comes to you, he was very faithful. But you misunderstood many things. She has cheated you. Now how can we let her go just like that? And moreover, he has seen all that has happened. Am I right?
I have so many things to say. Let him have a few more drinks. He's totally upset now.
Even now, legally, you are her husband. Whatever money Kishore and she had made, there is a legal option to transfer it to you. And once you have that money, you can live your life as you want and as you like. What do you say now?
Where is my husband?
God damn you. I've been trying to control myself from coming here. And you have made me come here now. Everything has a consequence and you are facing it now. Tell me where's
Please
Sana.
listen to me. I don't know anything.
I've seen the likes of you all my bloody life. Now if you're gonna tell me where's Sanal, I'm going to break your bloody head.
I don't know, sir. He was here last night. I'll inform you once he comes. Please don't do anything to me. Please. Please.
You're fucking good for nothing. Including you, you asshole.
Where did the Sanal go now? Sanal bro, you should have told us where you're going. I tried reaching you on the phone. You know something? Sony was beaten by her wife and her lover. Everything's broken in the house. Sitting over here doesn't make any sense. Come on, hurry up. Let's go and catch them. Hurry up. Come on, let's go.
Leave me! No!
Sanal?
Even after all this, he couldn't understand me. This is not only for me. To send my daughter to a school and bring her up in a nice way, I struggled a lot to bring my family.
Dad, how did you come over here?
Yes. Yes, your dad. You neglected me and you avoided me, your father.
Sanal, if you think you went to prison because of your wife Kalyani, then you're mistaken. In that case, even your father has got to be blamed. The reason is all the plans of the lawyer which has been approved by your father. Kalyani has been facing a goddamn struggle all these days.
Oh, so all of you together send me to jail, right? What I have done wrong with you guys?
You borrowed money from so many people and you never returned them. If giving money for interest is a crime, taking the money for high interest is also a crime. Kalyani compelled me a lot to come over here. Unless you become a good man, I don't want to come and stay here in your home. I came abroad just not to see my son and daughter-in-law, but I had a plan for all this. Without your knowledge, I wanted to see how you lead a life here. Now I really feel pity and ashamed of you. Yes, this is my redemption.
There's no point in getting mad at us, Sanal. At the moment of her death, your mother did not expect your wealth or riches, just your presence. You couldn't even give that. I don't think that's fair, Sanal. Just reflect on yourself. You haven't even admitted your child to school. How can you justify that? Only when the situation escalated to a beyond limit, we had to see the lawyer.
Hello, sir. That is the only option we have. That's why I took a decision like this. You don't worry for this. Okay, sir. I will talk to Kalyani first. After I arrange everything, then I will call you back. Okay.
What did he have to say?
Already I have told the details, so he is very cool now. They have only two options. One thing, repay the debts. Or else Sanal should surrender. Then only everything will be legal. If that's so, get passport for her daughter. There won't be any problem for her traveling.
I think he's right, Kalyani. It's not going to be easy to fulfill all the debts that Sanal has got. And Sanal is not going to do anything about it. So the way I see it, your best solution needs with the lawyer's advice.
Okay, Kishore.
Sanal, the hardships that Kalyani has faced so far is beyond any explanation. And you need to understand that it is all for you. Don't put on fire anymore, Sanal. Please be reasonable.
Sanal, don't believe her. Sanal! I need my money back with interest. Do you get that?
I don't have any money now. And moreover, I don't have the manpower to collect all the money that I've lent. Please, please believe me.
By showing a girl, you trapped me, right, Sony? Don't forget I have these documents with me. Don't forget you signed every document. Your countdown has begun, Sony. Goodbye. I've set my eyes on that Kalyani and I'll have her. I know what to do. I don't need your help. I'll take care. Come on, let's go, boys.
then. So as I said, both of you need to come home soon, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir.